Hello, this is Jake and welcome to my automotive channel, and today we're going to be looking at my new car. It's right behind me now and I've been looking for one for about 3 or 4 weeks. I've just sold the 911, so without further ado, let me show you my new car. So, I was just rudely interrupted by a Chinook, which I'll put the footage in, but here she is, my new BMW Z3 1999 1.9 litre, and yes, the colour just absolutely stands out. Look at that. So I apologise for the wind noises, it seems to be every time I talk, but here she is. So what I'm going to do is walk you around the car, some of the things that need sorting and everything like that. You know, it's not factory fresh, there are problems. The colour really comes out different on camera, which is interesting. So it's actually coming out a bluey colour on camera, which is a bit weird, but still nice. So I don't know if you're going to get the full effect of the actual paint job on the car. So what I'll do, I'll stick some photos in so you can see that. It was actually lovely and clean, but obviously I've got it insured and taxed today, so I wanted to take it out for a drive, and it is it's got some mud on the arches and that. But here it is. So we got convertible roof. So she's a 1.9 litre. Brake horsepower about between 120 140, I think I read. But so far I've only driven it 27 miles today, and every mile's been really nice, really smooth. It seems to be at the moment a better drive than the 911, but I won't confirm that until I take it for a proper drive. But there she is. She's lovely. So let's point out some of the problems. First of all, she's had new skirts, which is a good thing because they are known to rotting out completely. And even though the skirts have been done, we do have a bit of bubble there in the paintwork and around here as well. So that's something. And you also see a bit of rust there. There's a few little marks over the car, like one here. The rubber grommet inside the fuel caps come off, so I got to sort that out. And also the boot has been repainted. So the boot originally, it had really bad lacquer peel all over, so that's been done. There's a mark on the bumper. Basically that's what you were getting over the boot, that's why they resprayed it. And then there's a few little marks around on the bumper. There you go. There's a few more down there. Don't know if they come up on camera too much. But body wise is very good. I mean, the body work, there's a mark on the end of the bumper there, but there's no actual dents in the car, which is very nice. There's a bit of bubble here, see that, along with the dirt as well. Now there's a few things that are getting sorted out by the people I bought this car off, like a new front badge and gear knob. The situation that they're going through at the moment, they just didn't have time to get it done, but they promised me they will come down and sort it when everything's back to normal, so that's great. So the bumpers had touch up here as well, and that, I don't know again if it comes up on camera, but that's it. That is pretty much everything with the bodywork, paintwork and that. The hood was, a new hood was put on here about a year or 2 years ago. It's had a new roof as well. Now it's a manual roof, not a electric roof, which is good. It's a bit stiff at the moment. I don't think it's been used in a while, but as we use it, it will start getting better. We've greased the shock and everything, so that should be a lot better. The interior, there you go. There's a bit of wear on the driver's seat right there. but apart from that, the interior is pretty good. The center console is missing something here, I'm not too sure what that was, and here, so I'm gonna have to contact the guys, I will later on today, about that, because I wasn't told about that. But that's pretty much it. I don't know if you can see, the seats are black with the green tubing, and then the actual inners are blue. You can probably see on the door card over there that that's blue. Window screen has a small chip in it up here and here, but that's it. That is basically everything. So I guess the only thing to show you now is the actual engine and the boot. So here's our boot. Good space, probably get, I don't know, a couple of bags of shopping in there. Multi-changer CD player, unfortunately doesn't work. Again, something I got to talk to them about, because I wasn't told that it wasn't working, and there's actually CDs in there, so I don't know if it stopped working when the previous owner had it, before obviously it went to a shop. But there you go, so that's looking good. Original toolkit in there as well, along with a battery. That's our toolkit. And then let's go over into the engine. So to open the engine, just pull the lever. There we go. Then there's a clip in here. Took me a while to find it myself. And there's our engine. At least you can actually see the engine on a BMW Z3, unlike the 911 where it was hid away under all the plastic. But there you go. It's not being cleaned or anything, which is always good. I don't like it when you go and buy a new car and they've cleaned the engine bay and everything, because that's usually a bad sign, so that's good. So there you go, that's pretty much everything I can show you. It has 86,000 miles on the clock, which is pretty good. I was hoping to get one around 60 to 50, 50 to 60 I should say, but unfortunately not. I was looking for the James Bond blue as well with the beige interior, but this livery, this paint job, this Fiji green just popped up and I saw it and I was like, yeah, I love that. So that's the reason I went for it. Very good price, you know, it's a good car for what I've paid for. There's a few issues that's popped up that I wasn't told about, so obviously I'm gonna contact them. I'm not just gonna let that lie. But there she is. So there she is, my lovely BMW Z3. I'm really pleased with it. Like I said, so far I've only driven it 27 miles, but enjoying it. It's going to be a lot cheaper to run in the Porsche as well, which I did say the other day I'm moving out, so that's a good thing. Less money to put in the car fuel wise. So there's issues to be sorted. I'll get all that done. I will be doing plenty of videos on it, and I got videos coming on YouGo as well. But yeah, it's certainly an eye catcher in that colour. It really is. So thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more of my Z3. I've joined some Z3 Facebook pages now, so that's good. And they all congratulated me on my new car, my first BMW as well. BMW was one of my favourite manufacturers growing up. Then I fell in love with Italian cars. But yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you very soon with more videos. Bye for now.